So, just so I've had the comments, right? Everybody's taking the piss out of me, which is fine. I don't have a problem with it. But for those of you out there who didn't like the gold sunnies, you'll be pleased to know that my son destroyed them at Christmas. And so he bought me some new ones. So these are the new shades. So for the moment, that's what you're going to be seeing on YouTube this year is the new Oakleys. Goodbye Gucci, hello Oakley. Right now we're in a manufacturing facility that does sheet metal manufacturing, and we've got a compressor in the background that's giving us a ton of grief. That's the compressor that drives the brake press and also the laser. So a bunch of the equipment here is run by that particular compressor. It's given us a lot of curry. We tried to shut most of the factory down to do these videos, and that bastard over there, every time I want to say something, it kicks in. So, but it is my friend. You know, the best time to be here is in the middle of the night when it's all really, really quiet. Yeah, we are having a lot of fun. We're at Black Lab Design right now. We've done a site tour today and had a look at some stuff. We're looking at some opportunities for improvement, looking at 2018 business planning. It's a family business. So it's, my brother runs this business, my brother Dane, so check him out on LinkedIn. One of the most amazing manufacturers, one of the most amazing designers on the planet in terms of very smart guy, identifying opportunities. There's our good friend, the compressor, just started again. Yeah, so we've had a good time today, shot a couple of videos to give you guys some examples of what's going on. Check out the Black Lab Design. Check out the Black Lab Design website. A bunch of magical stuff happens in this factory. There are some other videos on our YouTube channel of this particular business. If you need something manufactured, if you want a crazy design for a prototype that can basically bring some crazy idea for an invention that you've got to fruition. So that's what they do here. They do a lot of rapid prototyping. So in your business, if you're a commercial business, a retail business, a service business, you've got lots of sites. That's a space that they work in where they can help you enhance your customer experience, and also lots of you know, manufacturing for constructions. You know, this is a really good example of, you know, most of their stuff here is for commercial industrial applications. But this is the frame for a mirror. It was done as a sample. So it's just an interesting, you know, we can take a sketch drawing or a line drawing or a pen drawing and cut it out in sheet metal. You know, if you think about days gone by, it would have taken someone forever to do this type of thing with a jigsaw or a little router. But the laser will cut that out in about 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. And then we've got a brake press, CNC brake press over there that folds the sides. And this will probably go on someone's fence in their backyard with a beautiful mirror behind it. One hit wonder. One take wonder. I was gonna just like grab this and do a flex, but I can't. 2018 is gonna be really strong. So make sure you're doing your workout. Make sure your body's prepared. Get yourself ready. Hold this for me. Hold this for me, Jack. Hold this. Hold it. Hold it. Oh, shit. Doesn't they don't make this stuff. I don't know why this. I made it. I'm sorry I'm late.
How are you, mate?
Busy.
22 minutes late.
Big day today. Thought about cancelling my gym session and moving it to tomorrow, but then at 5 AM this morning, while I was texting you, I was like, no, I've actually got to go on, I've got to make that happen. It was just really important. Like, you can get really, really busy and it would be really, really easy to actually sacrifice my health, but it's been really good because I've just done an hour with Jake. I've actually been able to solidify some stuff in my head, so it gave me actually the break I needed to think clearly, and I've actually got a better solution to a couple of problems. So for me, in the last couple of hours, it's just reinforced exactly why it's important to exercise. So that's been a really good example. I got a board meeting this afternoon, so even, you know, and that's why I made the decision to not postpone my session and move it to tomorrow. Got a board meeting this afternoon for best practice. sitting down with the directors, making the plan for the next quarter. That's really exciting, and then go through that. So we've had the quarterly executive, which is our quarterly management review. So our ISO 9001 management review, we've just had that, and then this is that reporting that from the quality management representative in our business up to our board. So I've got a bunch of reports that have already been delivered. Fortunately for us, the two gentlemen that are joining me in the board meeting today were in our executive, so they've already seen the bulk of that information, but we'll just look at the condensed executive summary and work out our priorities for the business.
It's not mine, but you can't be a big dog if you piss like a puppy. So you're not going to do. So you're going to do 4 sets of 3. Sorry. 4 sets of 4. Forgot on your new script up. 4 sets of 4. Just do your shoulder traction, working the tree with your rotation. Oh, looks like copywriting.
Big dog riding, not big dog riding, not for a whiteboard.